Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you do not have a sufficient rights to perform this operation error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First you need to go to the file or drive that you are getting the error. You just need to right click on it and select properties. Select the security tab and select advanced. Select change in the owner. In here you need to type your username guys. If you don't know your username, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click on open it, and you just need to type net space user and press enter, and you will be get your user account name guys. My user account name is ajay.mp. After finding your user account name, you just need to type here guys. After typing the user account name, select check name and select OK. Now you need to select add and select a principal, and now again type your username. After typing it, select check names and select OK. And now you need to select full control and then select OK. And as you can see, we have added in the list. Now you need to select apply and OK for save changes. Now select the edit option in here, and you need to select your username, and you need to make sure that full control is checked. After that, select apply and OK. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you need to give the administrator rights to your user. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy the second command, net username. In username, you just need to type your username guys. After typing it, just copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. And the command completed successfully. After getting this done, you just need to close off here. Now go to search menu and type. You just need to search for this word guys. Just copy and paste in search menu, and you will be get it. Click on open it. Select groups, and in here you need to select the administrators. Double click on it, and you just need to select add and type your username. After typing the username, select check names and select OK. Select OK, select apply and OK for save changes, and just close it off here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.